part of our pledge to help you grow your business, we now offer live online product training. We create the session to suit your requirements so that you and your sales team get the best possible support. Our experts can present an overview of the full Keencut product range, or provide a detailed guide to just one machine. We can answer any technical issues you may have and make sure you're up to date with all the latest product news. It's your dedicated event, and because we use Microsoft Teams platform, it's totally interactive.
Hi, Jennifer. Hi, good morning. Good morning.
You can ask questions at any time.
Widths of the machines that you listed is the cutting width, right? Not the width of the actual machine.
Exactly. So when I refer to...
We present from our production facility in Corby, so everything is on hand. Many of our dealers have already taken part, and the feedback is fantastic. If you would like any training on Keencut products for you or your staff, please contact our sales team.